Xiaomi's 2K monitor A27Qi might just be one of the best budget monitors you can buy in 2026. For around $3,999, you're getting a 27-inch 1440p IPS display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and honestly, that's impressive for the price. Everything feels noticeably smoother than a standard 60Hz monitor, whether you're working on spreadsheets, browsing the web, or editing content. What really surprised me is the color accuracy. Xiaomi factory calibrated this panel with a delta E of less than 1, plus it covers 100% of the sRGB color space and 95% of DCI-P3. So if you're a designer, photographer, or content creator, the colors look great right out of the box. The design is clean and modern with super thin bezels, making it perfect for dual monitor setups. However, the stand only tilts, so you'll probably want a VESA monitor arm for better ergonomics. The biggest downside? Connectivity. You only get one HDMI port, one display port, and a headphone jack. There's no USB hub and no USB-C, which could be a deal breaker for laptop users. Overall, if you want excellent image quality, a sharp 1440p resolution, and a smooth 120Hz experience without spending a fortune, the Xiaomi A27Qi is absolutely worth your money in 2026.